In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click Sales, or in some versions, Customers. This is where you can view your customer list and manage invoices and payments. Next, open the customer profile for the invoice payment you want to record. Inside that customer's account, you'll be able to see their transaction history, including any open or unpaid invoices. Find the unpaid invoice you're working with, and then click Receive Payment. This opens the payment window where you'll enter the details of the money you've received. Before you move on, make sure the customer name shown is correct. This is important because the payment needs to be matched to the right account and the right invoice. After that, enter the payment date. In most cases, this should be the date the payment was actually received, since that helps keep your records accurate and up to date. Now choose the payment method. For example, this could be a check, cash, bank transfer, or another method available in your QuickBooks setup. Then enter the amount received. Be sure this matches the actual payment amount, so your books stay accurate and the invoice is applied correctly. After that, choose the account where the payment will be deposited. This step tells QuickBooks where the money is going, such as your checking account or an undeposited funds account, depending on how you handle incoming payments. Next, select the invoice being paid. QuickBooks will usually display the customer's open invoices, so you can check the box for the correct one. If the payment is meant for a specific invoice, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right transaction. Once everything is entered, review the payment details carefully. Double-check the customer name, payment date, method, amount, deposit account, and the invoice selected. This final review helps prevent errors and saves time later. When you're ready, click Save and Close if you're finished, or Save and New if you want to record another payment right away. After saving, go back and confirm that the invoice status has been updated to paid. That lets you know the payment was successfully applied and the invoice is no longer outstanding. And that's how to receive invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.